So what is interior design? Well, there's three elements to it. Firstly, it's very architectural. It's about getting the layout to be absolutely right for the way you want to live and understanding the client's needs. So working totally alongside the architectural process, we're looking at the interior architecture elements of wall positioning in terms of room plans that we're creating, structural elements like where the staircases go, whether there's any structural glazing rather than walls. If there are any, say, wood-burning stoves, they have a structural integrity to work around, and various interior decisions that have structural connotations to get the overall flow and the position right about the interior living arrangements. So there's an architectural aspect to interior design. When the interior layout and the structure of the property is all sorted, the next stage is how that space is going to be designed, furniture, fittings, fixtures, the lighting plan, the power plans for the furniture layouts, exactly where we need all the sockets and so forth, of which you would instruct and work with the build teams to let them know where that you need things positioned. And then the third element is, yes, the textures and the colour schemes, soft furnishings, as you would call it. So there's three main areas, and not all interior design firms operate in all those areas. There are interior designers that just do the decor schemes and the soft furnishings. There are interior design firms that do the furniture and the fittings. That's everything that you bring into a property that's not fixed. So they would do the furniture schemes and the lighting schemes, and as well with the decor. Or there are interior design firms like ourselves that do all of that right from the architectural plan level going forward. So to the answer to the next question is whether you need an interior designer. It depends where you are. If you just need the decor schemes, then look for an interior designer who works on that. If you need actually some focus on the interior layout of the property, then contact a firm like ourselves. So not all interior design firms are the same, because I say there are those three functions, and some firms do all of those and some only do some of those. So I hope that helps, and good luck with your project.